Today, I'll walk you through how to organize for school with Notion, even if you're a total beginner or just need a quick refresher. By the end of this guide, you'll know exactly how to set up your Notion workspace for school so you can streamline your studies and keep everything in one place. Let's get started. First, navigate to your Notion page. If you're not sure where to find it, just open your web browser and type in the Notion URL. This is your starting point, your digital workspace where all the magic happens. Once you're on your Notion page, look for the Add a Page button. This is typically located in the left sidebar. Click on it to create a new page. Think of it as opening a blank notebook ready for your notes and ideas. Now let's enhance your new page by clicking on Templates. This option will allow you to access a variety of pre-designed layouts that can help you get organized quickly. Templates are like having a blueprint for a house. They give you a solid foundation to build upon. Next, head over to the Notion Marketplace by clicking on Templates again. Here, you'll find a plethora of options tailored for different needs. It's like walking into a store filled with organizational tools just waiting for you to choose from. In the search bar, type Student Template. This will filter the templates specifically designed for students, making it easier for you to find what you need. Don't worry if your dashboard looks slightly different, the core functionality remains the same. Once you see the available templates, take your time to choose one that fits your visual preference and content requirements. This is your chance to personalize your workspace. After all, it should reflect your style and needs. After selecting a template, click the plus Add button. This will add the template to your left pane, making it easily accessible whenever you need it. Now open the template and modify it with your details. Customize it based on how you want it to be. This is where you can add your classes, assignments, and any other important information. Think of it as decorating your room. You want it to feel comfortable and functional for studying. And there you have it. You've successfully organized for school with Notion. If this helped you out, please give the video a thumbs up. If you run into any issues, leave a comment below. Subscribe for more actionable guides. Thanks for watching.